Good afternoon. So in previous class we just started this problem. Okay, we completed up to this. Okay, hereafter we are going to apply the limit. Then we are going to find the final value. Okay, that is we are going to see one by one in today's class. Okay, yes, you will have this term as it is. So 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2a is. Okay, now we are going to replace the limit upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, instead of t, or to replace the limit. Okay, in first case you can check where we are having t. That place you just replace t as a. So in here you will have a minus is here, right? So e power, here also you will have a t. So e power minus sa by minus s. Okay, first term is over. Go for the next term. Minus sa whole square, which will become plus s square. Okay, then minus e power minus s, then t, replace t as a, then by s square. Okay, this is upper limit. Then minus lower limit is what? Replace t as 0. Okay, then 0 into anything is 0, and the second term you will have one minus, yes, this minus, then this becomes plus. So e power 0 is 1. So finally we will get 1 by s square. Okay, the first bracket is over. Upper limit minus lower limit. Go for the next. So which is upper limit is 2a. Now you replace t as 2a. Okay. So 2a minus 2a is 0. 0 into anything is 0. First term becomes 0. And go for the next term. So next term is minus into minus is plus. And e power, just replace this t as 2a. So e power minus 2a is by, you will get plus a square. Okay, so this is upper limit. Then minus lower limit is replace t as a. Okay, so 2a minus a is a, and we get one minus here. So minus a e power minus s a by, you get 1 minus s. We put this minus here, right? So we just write s enough. Then minus into minus is plus. Then replace t as a. So e power minus sa by s square. Then close the bracket, one more bracket. Okay, I think you understand, right? So for first term, upper limit minus lower limit. For second term, upper limit minus lower limit. We just replace the limit. Okay, now we are going to simplify this term. Okay, so we'll write this term as, which is 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2a s. Then you write all those terms as it is. Okay, here you will write minus into minus is plus. The remaining as it is. Okay, so a into e power minus sa by minus s, and minus e power minus sa by s square, and minus into minus is plus. So plus 1 by s square. And write the next terms, which is, we just omit this 0, write the terms, which is e power minus 2as by s square. Now you multiply this minus inside the bracket. Okay, this becomes plus. So plus a e power minus sa by s, and the next term is minus e power minus sa by s square, then close the bracket. Okay, now we simplified those minuses, right? Now this term is as it is. So which is 1 minus e power minus 2as. Then you check, is there any term which is, yes, you will have this term, right? The same term, but the sign is already, right? So this is plus and this one is minus, that will be cancelled. Okay, and then the remaining terms will have the LCM as s square. Now we combine the numerator term, which is minus e power minus sa, and the next thing is plus 1, and this one is plus e power minus 2as, and the next one is minus e power minus sa. Then whole divided by s square. Okay, then that should be equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2as. Now we will combine the terms, right? So 1 plus e power, we can write this one as minus sa the whole square, and the remaining two terms minus e power minus sa minus e power minus sa. If we add those two terms, we will get minus 2 e power minus sa. Then whole divided by s square. Now we check the numerator. It is one of the formula, right? A square plus b square minus 2a. A value is a value is 1 and b value is e power minus sa. Okay, so we will rewrite the numerator term as, yes, so 1 minus e power minus sa the whole square. A minus b the whole square. Then whole divided by you write this a square here, and we can write this one as 1 plus e power minus sa and into 1 minus e power minus sa. If you multiply these two terms, finally we are going to get this term. Okay, finally the answer is what? Yes, you just cancel one term. Finally the answer is e power minus sa by s square into 1 plus e power minus sa. So this is the final answer for the given function f of t. Okay, this way we need to solve. Thank you guys.